We can now see your presentation. Hold on. There. Wow. Good luck. Group one. You may start. Who will be speaking? Okay. They're showing the invitation now. Thank you. Wow. I love the photos. Amazing. All right. So these are the roles. Everyone had their own share. Very good. Wow. Okay. All right. Wow. A lot. Congratulations. And then what do we have next? Okay, our host is here. Amazing. Okay. And Angelica. Okay, Angelica, that's your name. I'm sorry. I keep on calling you Jiwen. Angelica, very nice name.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Sophia will be our opening remark. Our host as well. Okay, amazing. I hope I have that skin as well. Okay, so this will be the flow of their program. All right. And then,
Okay, madam, I will start it. All right. Okay, everybody, are you ready? First of all, I'm sorry. Okay, next. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm one of your pastors, Mr. Jia.
I am your other present, Miss Fang. We are very pleased to welcome you, and it is going to be an enjoyable day. After all, webinars are always interesting.
We are here with contrasting our activation to meeting more new things. If you are confused about the future, then this will help you. If you are already sure of your future plans, this might allow you to refer your future plans, and of course, you can come with a best thing. No, a greater is a great idea to smarter listen to a presentation.
We'll get excited for our upcoming talk. We've got new insights and stories to hear. Hopefully, you will enjoy the presentation.
The speaking this time is Mrs. Zhao, a young lady.
She has her own unique ideas and excellent learning ability. She has always had her own rhythm when it comes to speaking. She will share with us something related to her career today, and I am really looking forward to it.
Of course, I also look forward to it, and I believe everyone is too, because this process is often seen in our daily life, and maybe she can answer your questions.
Yes, let's enjoy her wonderful speech this time.
Now, let's welcome to hear we presentation the importance of us healthy. Before we get started, we need to say a new things that need to be noted.
Please turn off your microphone to avoid disturbing Ms. Zhao's presentation. If you have any questions during the presentation, you can save them in advance and ask them at the end of the presentation. You can either send them to the chat box or raise your hand and ask Ms. Zhao through the microphone.
Okay, let's Welcome, Mr. Zhao. Please starting your speech. Show time, please.
Hi everyone, my name is Sophia. I'm speaker. My speech about the importance of oral health. Oral health can bring us white teeth, fresh breath, and charming smells, but many people do not pay attention to oral health. There are a lot of oral problems can be said to be one of the biggest problems affecting people's health of people in today's world. Today, I will take you to understand the importance of oral health and how to maintain our oral health. Oral health is the foundation of systemic health. Diseases that harm oral health not only affect the function of oral organs, but also often affect the health of the whole body, leading to the decline in the quality of life. Infection and inflammatory factors in the oral cavity can lead to aggravate chronic disease such as cardiovascular and cerebrovascular disease and debate, endangering systemic health. Caries and periodontal disease can destroy the hard tissue and supporting tissue around the teeth, which can not only affect chewing, speech, aesthetics, and other functions, but also cause social communication difficulties and psychological disorders. Oral infections in pregnant women are a risk factor for preterm birth and low birth weight infant. Some systemic disease may show corresponding representation in the oral cavity. For example, the anti-infection ability of diabetic patients is reduced, often accompanied by periodontitis. Tooth extraction wound healing is difficult to heal. AIDS patients will appear early oral damage, oral candidiasis, and other disease. Maintaining oral health is an important means to prevent and control system. And the provision and treatment of systemic disease is also conducive to promoting oral health. Mm. The criteria of oral health are clean teeth, no tooth decay, no pain, no more colored gums, and no bleeding. People use their teeth for 3 meals a day. After after eating all kinds of food, it will leave food reduced on the surface on the teeth. People who like tobacco and tea will also from smoke, scalar and teeth stain on the teeth surface. Over time, the residue of this food plus the disposition of calcium and other minerals in saliva will from dental stone. It destroys the periodontal tissue after the dental stone formation. It is very difficult to clean up the dental stone by brushing your teeth, so it is recommended to clean your teeth regularly. Dental cleaning mainly removes the tooth dirty, especially plaque, dental stones, embedded food, and other harmful substances completely. Provide a very
好吧，
environment for the human body, which has great benefits to teeth, gums, alveolar bone, and oral mucosa. Medical research shows that Helicobacter pylori is the most important pest origin of the chronic gastritis. Gastritic ulcer and gastric cancer previously thought that the bacteria only settled in the stomach. Recently, the mouth was found out to be also a good environment for the survival. After entering the mouth through different ways and channels, H. pylori first settles in the dental plaque, leading to chronic periodontitis. Therefore, regularly dental clean, timely removal of dental plaque so that Helicobacter pylori has no fold in the mouth is not only conducive to prevention and treatment of chronic periodontitis, but also conducive to prevent Helicobacter pylori into the stomach, so as reduce the incidence of chronic gases, peptic ulcer, and gastric cancer.
For the others, please make sure your microphones are off. It's only Sophia that we should be hearing. Thank you. All right, Sophia.
Oral disease ranks second among the 6 common diseases of students, which is an important reason that seriously affects student attendance. Student physical and quality, and is also an important factor affecting the normal work and life is also reflected in the increased economic burden. And the high cost of treatment has a huge economic impact on families and countries. The future employment rate of stomatology is infinitely vast. There is a large doctor-patient gap in developing countries. And as income level and quality of life improve, people will pay more and more attention to oral health. Stomatology is the dentist and relatively relaxed among all medical specialties. At this stage, medical research are tired doctor-patient conditions are prominent, and the oral cavity is well avoided. A healthy life needs a healthy mouth. Care for oral health. Let our smells bloom perfectly. Thank you. My speech is over. Do you have any questions on group 2?
Excuse me, doctor. May I ask what change in your attitude towards oral health have changed by studying oral medicine?
On these tissues, I want to say that after I started oral medicines, I thought that oral health was once ignored by me. But now I have a very serious attitude towards about oral health. And else?
I also want to ask, what did you choose stomatology?
Why do I choose the major of stomatology? Because of the good oral employment environment and the lack of dental professionals. I also want to seriously learn to help others. Thank you. Thank you, question.
Okay. Let's thank Miss Zhao again for a greater presentation.
Your wonderful speech made me think I need to get my teeth checked and, of course, routine maintenance.
Yes, I also want to go. Present matter what this speech should bring us and what we learn from each are all valuable. Presentations is very difficult. It requires excellent competition skills. We parents a lot of prestation in ideals and even need us to face many experienced stations. So I think it's necessary to give something to Miss Zhao.
Surely, this is something a good speaker should get. The certificate is yours itself. Your presentation was great.
Oh, yeah, thank you very much. I will treasure this
别吵啊，别吵，这边。
certificate, and I am glad that my presentation can help others. Thank you.
From this presentation, we think you should understand the importance of policy healthy and the importance of distinction of the world. They are in cross linkage.
Let this valuable knowledge stay with you, and this is the certificate you will receive during the webinar.
In closing, we should like to thank you all for coming to this volunteer. Your practice made it even more meaningful and validation. Thank you all you across leader and thank you Mrs. Zhao for her presentation.
So goodbye everyone and have a great day.
Goodbye.
Wow. Thank you so much, Group One. That was a very amazing presentation. The hosts are very energetic. I like that. The script is also very organized, and even the slides, right? We didn't have a headache reading the words because they're not really loaded with a lot of letters and paragraphs. And thank you, Angelica and Jeremy, for a job well done in hosting. To Sophia, all right, for being wow, a very good presenter. I think you're ready. I think you're like a teacher. You might want to shift courses already. I'm kidding. And also to Iris for the questions. I think you were able to post 2 questions and both were answered also by Sophia. To those who worked really hard, Group One, behind this, the people behind this job or task, congratulations. Okay, so please wait for my final rating. Again, those whose cameras were on a while ago will be given plus 10 points automatic for this activity. Okay, so